channel. Today we have Smasher's Monster Trucks. Let's open it. Magic, magic, make my city disappear. Boopity boppity doo. Look, guys. Wow. So we have, I don't know what that is. Slime, parts, truck body. Nobody needs these. I don't know what that is. Wheels, balls, this sand. Oh, it's weird. What is this? Oh, it smells so strong. Here's the other parts. Hold on, I need to move out of this stuff. What? It's like a cone or something. Oh. The slime thing is so gooey. How do you get yellow cones?
This is A. The bottom is B, and you are going so fast, you don't even need my help.
And then you can still... There's our monster truck, guys. Gotta open this. Look at the guy I got. I get an octopus, he has a wrench's head, and you can see his brain. He has one of those bouncy things. Look, it's on there, but I don't know what they're called. There's a shark. There's the back. There's a trophy. I did not know trophies had eyebrows. There's a big one in here. But how do you even get this out? That exploded. Why he look like that? There's like little tokens. Whoa! T-Rex. No, it's a monster truck. Where's that for the color? I got an idea. 3, 2, 1. That is awesome, you guys. Look, I just figured out something. I put this guy up there, and these are 2 workers, right? And then this guy, he's back here working, right? And then he has a wrench, and then the guy said, "Ah, this monster truck coming!" And then he hit the wrench in his head. And now, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! That was awesome, baby. How is he still standing? That's crazy. You guys, look, what if we do this? Who's Papa Willie? Let's do this, you guys. Where's the blue guy? Oh, he's right there. Hold up, guys, the guy got the blue guy. See if we can build something. And then we're gonna... I can't believe that actually worked. And then... 3, 2, 1, smash! Really? No! You gotta be smashing me right now. You guys, look what I did. I put the shark up there and he's doing the possibility. 3, 2, 1. That's what you call a monster smash. Gonna roll this up like a a hot dog or something. Feels so satisfying. It's a big mark on my table. Guys, hear this. You hear it? I think that's a yes. Now, it's time for the moment I always wanted. Play with the slime. Oh yeah. Guys, look at this. Yeah. Wow. Look at this guy, so jiggly. Cannonball. Come here. Whole face. Ew. Slow motion. Oh, it looks like dead skin falling over your face. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Hit the like and subscribe below.